guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. First part of this video is going to be about the giveaway that I was supposed to announce yesterday, but I'm feeling a little under the weather again, so I will get right into that so that you know right offhand. And I'm going to put the winner over there, and the winner is Shelly Fenley. I used YouTube random comment picker and her name came up, and I will post a picture right there so that you know what app I used, and congratulations. I will need you to get in touch with me by Friday of this week, so that's going to be, not very good at math, the 13th or the 14th, I think. I'm yeah, or it may even be the 12th, one of them days. But by Friday of this week, and this video will go up on Monday the 8th or Tuesday the 9th, I'm not entirely sure, depending on how fast I can get through this video. So next, after we did the giveaway, I have subscribers that I need to announce. And it is 19 of them, so we're moving right along. First up, we have Rachel J. She also has a channel, so go ahead and check her channel out. The channel name is Rachel J. And it's an unboxing channel as well, just like mine. And then we have Cloves G, Tamaya, Ariana, Jessie Lynch, Kathy Bird, Shirley Golden, how you doing, girl? Brittany, The River Whisperer, Sandy K, Bobby Patrick, Meredith Baker, Sircan, Valerie Shoopman, M-A-N, Shoopman. I'll put their names up there in case I'm butchering them. You guys can see them. JP Gonzalez, Martin Keys, Carrie Racy, Kitty's Boxes, which is also an unboxing channel, so go ahead and check out that channel. And please forgive me because I'm going to butcher the last name, and I already know I'm going to, so forgive me. Holly Gorefsky, you'll see the name across the bottom. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad to have you. So happy you're here. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video. So now that we got all the formalities out of the way, I have a box for you. Unfortunately, it is not my favorite box. It is a box that literally ticks me off. I have since canceled this box. I did pay for 2 boxes, and this is the second box. Mind you, I ordered these 2 boxes in July. Yep. I just got September's box. Yesterday? No, Saturday. I got September's box. Just Saturday. So, yeah. It's a little irritating. And I emailed them, and never, not one, oh, we're very sorry, you know, nothing. So I just give up. This box ticks me off. I'm not expecting too awful much from Peaches and Petals. And I actually thought of I'm sorry, I know I'm bashing the box, but really, you guys, I will link that video in the iCards and at the end of the video, and you can see the first unboxing of this box. Trust me, it's a hoot. Anyway, I named this box Rotten Peaches and Wilted Petals. It's just how I feel. I'm a little sore over this box. So let's get into this box anyway. We'll see what it has to offer us this week, or not offer us, I should say. Yeah, I'm just, it is heavier than it was last time, so maybe, I don't know. Let's see. Oh my freaking God. I'm already not happy. I am so not happy. Okay. Let's see if we can make lemonade out of lemons. Here is their card, Peaches and Petals. And try our new monthly box of food and snacks. No cooking, just snacking and saving. That dailydeal.com/food. After getting this box, I will not be trying this box. If any of you guys try it, you let me know. I'd be curious to know if they flubber this one up too. Anyway, let's get in here. And once again, there is not a card telling me what the stuff is. I'm a little disappointed in that. I like to know what the heck is going on. I like to know the value. I like to know the particulars. I mean, was it made by a veteran? Was it thought up by a single mom? Those things. Where did these products come from and why are they in here? That is what I want to know. Anyway, let's pull out the first thing. This is by Bulb Bright. Starry lights, LED lights on one moldable wire string. Silver colored string. 10-foot single string battery powered fairy lights. That's what I'm calling them. Fairy lights. Really? I can go to Dollar General and get these damn lights. What in the heck? We're gonna check them out. Exactly. Okay, guys. Really? No. Mm-mm. And they didn't even give me any damn batteries. They could have at least included the batteries with this string of dollar lights. I know, maybe I'm being a little hard. You know what? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Because you know what? This box is $20 a month. $20 a month. And every month since I have gotten it, it has been late by a week at least. And I am just so glad that I canceled this box. So glad. But there it is. Fairy Lights by Bulb Bright. I cannot tell you how much these are valued at because I do not have their card. And there's 4 things in here. So, up next is Method Nourishing Hand Wash with Nutrient-Rich Botanicals. Olive leaf. Oh, olive leaf. It's, yeah. It smells like dish soap. It doesn't even smell good, damn it. Well, I got some hand wash. Look. Fairy lights and hand wash. What is the reasoning? I have another thing. Wildflowers for sensitive skin. Detoxifying clay mask. Lavender and chamomile extracts. Helps tighten pores, lift impurities, and remove excess oil. No, I'm not happy. I find this box ridiculous. There's no safety seal. It looks like somebody used it. I don't get it. I don't get this box. And we have one more thing. And it is I'm thinking a necklace. Oh, let's open it. I mean, how much worse can it get, right, guys? I mean, it already makes no damn sense whatsoever. This makes no sense to me at all. They should rename this box. No rhyme, no reason. Okay. Are you friggin' kidding me? Do you see what that is a picture of? What is that? What do they call that? I forget what they call it, but I remember seeing it in Ice Age. The kids' movie Ice Age. I cannot even remember. Why on earth would you put this in a grown woman's subscription box and send it to a grown woman. Why? It is a necklace. There's the chain. It's a pretty chain. I like the double chain. I do like that. But I don't understand. See, there's the double chain. Is it two separate chains? No, it is one long chain. Okay, so now I can wear it like to my kneecaps. Isn't that awesome? It goes to my pubic bone. Makes no sense. There we go. Isn't that just lovely? Really? Really? I mean, come on, guys. Am I being too hard on this company? I am a 49-year-old woman. Why would I wear something like that? Why? I wouldn't. I'm not trying to even... no, I would not wear this necklace. I would not. No. I just would not. So, there's the necklace one more time. I cannot remember what the heck the name of that is, but if any of you know, to me, it reminds me of King Kong climbing up the side of the Empire State Building. That's what that reminds me of. It makes no sense whatsoever. Not one bit of sense. I know, you know, come on, guys. Now, come on. Really. So you guys let me know if you think I'm being too hard on this box. It really, honestly won't matter because I already canceled the stupid box. This is the dumbest box I've ever gotten. In the history of me ever receiving subscription boxes, this is by far the dumbest box that I have ever received. I find it utterly ridiculous. I have light bulbs, a facial mask, some hand wash. That's what I got in this box. This is a stupid box. Hand wash, light bulbs, so I can see to wash my hands and see to put the clay mask on and turn the lights back off so I don't have to look at this ridiculous necklace. There we go. So anyway, that's it for this box. Do I suggest this box? Hell no. Hell no. Don't even give them your business. Until they step their game up, I wouldn't even, nope. Not even for a damn discount. Nope. Nope. Not even for the discount. Well, that is it, my friends. I wish that I could have been a little more cheery, but this box pisses me off. And excuse my French if there's any children's watching, but this box is ridiculous. Just, it's absolutely ridiculous. So, I will leave this out there to the winner of the breast cancer box. If you would like any of these items in this box, in this video, you let me know. Email me, and I will leave my email down below so that you can email me by Friday to let me know if you'd like any of these things in this box besides what is already being sent to you for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And I will send it to you. I know that you have a young daughter, and maybe she might like this weird necklace. But I am somebody's grandma, and I am not wearing that around my neck. I feel that it is for a younger person. Anyway, okay, guys, I'm going to stop rambling on about this bruised peaches and warped petals box. Anyway, I will see you guys in another video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Sorry about the light behind my head, but somebody said I should get a little better lighting, and I'm trying, I'm attempting. I refuse to spend hundreds of dollars on lighting when I can just turn on a whole bunch of lamps and light up the world. Anyway, that's it, guys. I will see you in my next video real soon. I have 1, 2, 3 new boxes coming your way, and I'm so excited for them ones. I cannot wait. All right, guys. Bye.